So this visual helps us kind of see how we can uh, look at division as a ratio. So here we're dividing a 1/4 fraction divided by a 3/8 fraction. So here's my 1/4 fraction, here's my 3/8 fraction. And I can see very clearly, it's well, relatively clear anyways, that this looks like it's 2 parts compared to 3 parts. So the answer to this division should be 2 to 3, or 2/3. Okay, and we could see this a little bit better if we make like a common denominator here. Okay, so here we can see, yeah, we're comparing this 2/8. So that's a 2/8 compared to 3/8. And then I can see that if I divide those, well, yeah, these basically cancel out. I can use a top divided by top to 2 divided by 3, and 8 divided by 8. Yeah, they'll just basically cancel out. 8 divided by 8 is just 1. So we end up with 2/3. So there we see what that looks like. And then something's going on over here. They seem to do something weird, but they seem to get the right answer, 2/3. Okay, so here's my final answer. I have 2 parts compared to 3 parts, so 2/3 fractions. So there, this is the correct answer. Okay, so I can do something a little bit more complicated. I can do like 2/5 divided by 5/7. Okay, so this is a little bit hard to compare because it's really hard to compare these two fractions, but it looks like it's about, maybe a little bit more than half, maybe close to 3/4. It's hard to tell. Okay, but we can try doing this by, again, if we do a common size fraction. Okay, oh, sorry, this is 2/5 and 5/7. Yeah, it's actually going to be a little bit, yeah, just a little bit more than half, it looks like, right? So we can see this by actually getting a common denominator. So in this case, we did divisions of 35. So now we can actually compare. In this case, we have 14 slices here. We have 25 slices here. So it looks like it's going to be 14/25 is going to be my answer. So when I divide, okay, these 35s basically cancel out because 35 divided by 35 is 1. And then we get 14 divided by 25. So just like with fractions, top of multiplying, top times top, bottom times bottom, well, we can divide. Rule for divide should be the same. So top divided by top, bottom divided by bottom. Okay, we end up with the 35s canceling out. We get 14 divided by 25, and the answer is 14/25. Okay, so there's our answer, 14/25. And again, they just seem to do something strange over here. I'm not exactly sure what's going on, but they seem to get the right answer of 14/25.